Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Breaking news: Asante Kotoko have terminated the contract of Maxwell. He's no longer with the club. He has been relieved of his duties. The statement stated that Johnson Smith, our assistant coach, will take as the head coach, will take over the head coach position. Matthew Konadu, I don't think anyone will be surprised by this because he has had a lot of time to improve the team, to improve the boys, to instill his philosophy and the mentality and tactics and the game of the game in the players, but he hasn't. Yesterday's performance was a disgrace. I told you guys here that it was a very, very painful thing to watch. It was infuriating to watch, and I'm not surprised that he has been sacked. Then John Smith taking over. I don't know if it's a permanent because I'm thinking that Kotoko are planning to bring a new head coach, but for now, Johnson Smith will take over as the interim coach while they look for a befitting or a better coach to take over the club. So I would like to know what you guys think. Do you think Johnson Smith should be appointed the head coach permanently, or do you think Asante Kotoko should go for a more experienced coach that will lead the club to glory? We have a lot of games coming up. We have Mediama coming up. We have Dreams coming up. We have Al Hilal coming up. We have 3 games in the next how many days? 7 days or 8 days. I think it's going to be a very stressful period for the players and the fans and the club entirely. But some fans are happy that Maxwell has been sacked because they were not inspired, or his performance with the team doesn't look promising, and they are not surprised that he has been sacked. I would like to know your thoughts. Please put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the situation, and if you think Johnson Smith should be made the head coach, or if you think Kotoko will appoint a new coach altogether. If you have any coach in mind you think Kotoko should appoint, I would like to hear them in the comment section. So I think that's all for today. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click notification bell. Bye bye.